Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So this is just a packaging. We're going to go ahead and package up this challenge that we're entering for Karolina'S Krafts, and this is some of the requirements. So if you wanted extra points, the extra points were bows, rosettes, and flowers, and I made all three. So I put the bows in the lid of my box so that when she goes to open it, she can see it's right there. So I'm gonna put the bows in here, and then I made her a few extra goodies. So I made two little party hats, and inside the party hats we have some dewdrops that I had colored myself with some Sharpie markers. They look really pretty. I just used some Dollar Tree stars, flat back stars, and some Dollar Tree bows I took apart, and a pom-pom from Walmart. So we have this one, and we're going to put it in here. And then the second one I made, I put some Dollar Tree flat back pearls, and in here we have some flat back jemmies to share. And so I'm just going to use paper clip to hold them in there, and then when she receives it, she could pull the whole cover off, or she could leave it. Either way, same situation. Okay, so we have that. So we got two little party hats, and they go in just like so. And then here are the flowers that I made. And she likes them like kind of generic looking, like no busy patterns, or at least if they are like muted. So I have some here, some rolled flowers from cut from my Cricut, with some pretty pinks and peaches from the My Crafty Boutique paper line digital kit. And then this is from the paper pad that we've been working with, the Tropical Paradise or something, tropical something, from the Michael's paper pad. I made 4 little rosettes, and so we're going to put it inside of these extra goodies. These are crowns that I made for her to wear or display. This one is the pineapple, and I put some blingies, flat back blings on there. And then this one is party drinks. These are all the same paper pad. So I put some extra pink blings on here, and some pineapple trim that I got from Hobby Lobby. You also get a point for doing a VR, and you just have to tag her. And then this is just the same pineapple paper, and it's just a different cut. Now these are all from the Cricut, my Cricut design space. It was already available to me if you are subscribed to the monthly subscription. It's all available there, except for certain designs. So anyway, that's what I got. I got 3 little crowns, and I'm going to put my flowers inside of my crown so it will pack and be secure. And then I'm going to put my rosettes on top of that. Okay, and how I have it is I had it laid out like so it's secure just like that. It'll be pressed down a little bit, but it won't be damaged from being in the box. So I'm going to take that and put that in here. So that is that. And then I have the embellishment box, which was the main one of the main entries. I have another video showing you what I did or how I did this, but this is just a VR. So I shared some Dollar Tree foam balls, glitter foam balls, and some embellishments from Miss June. And majority of these right here are from Miss June. And then these are some erasers that I received from Rosanna from Target. I shared also some of my charms from my Amazon haul. These are Dollar Tree flat back hearts and the stars that I also added on the crown. And these are Dollar Tree trims that I use within my projects. And then you're supposed to include a sequin mix, so I added a sequin mix, and I also shared some of the diamond blings, plastic blings that Miss Gabby and Lexi shared with me. So I gave her a little stash. And then I also have some meat picks here, the one with the hearts. Those are from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna put that right there. Here are also some wood beads that, not beads, the wood buttons I received from Happy Mail. And these little teeny tiny butterflies, these iridescent ribbon butterflies, are from Miss June also. Okay, and so are these puffy hearts. I shared her some of that. I just shared some paper clips from my stash. And then I also included 2 little teeny tiny iridescent bows, and a butterfly and a crown that's all in there. So that's what I've got there for her. And I also shared some of this beautiful green polka dot tulle from Alondra. She shared it with me, so this was pretty much the end of it, but since I used it on this project, I wanted to share that with Karolina. So that is that for the entry. And then for my card, this was cut out from the Cricut. It is just originally only had 2 pieces. So this is 1 piece, and then the green paper that you see in the background is a second piece. So it only had 2 pieces. So to make this a card, I had to cut a 3rd piece of the green part and add it to my outside cover. And then I just took a scrap piece of cardstock and put my thickers on here. So I put Be a Pineapple because I'm going with the pineapple theme. And then I just hand wrote Stand Tall and Wear Your Crown. I also used some Nuvo drops here, so you can see this right here. It's all dry now. And I used some stickles so that it would give it some depth. I also used the Cricut to cut my sentiment. It says Happy Birthday Karolina, and I kind of goofed on the stickles right there, but it's okay. Added some dots for the eyes, and then a little bit more here, and then you can see I used the pink stickles and then the stardust stickles on the rest of the pineapple. So there it is. And then also on the card, you're supposed to include your name, your YouTube, and your IG. So since my name is my YouTube and my IG, I just put it all on there. And then I also put that I did a VR on YouTube. And there you go. That is my card. And also the cut file came with an envelope. So I put the envelope, my little note for Karolina on the top. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here now that it's all dry and ready to go. It's kind of tricky because the spikes of the pineapple, they are tall. So just got to help it out a little bit, and it fits perfect. And I was gonna use this sticker, but I don't know. Anyway, so there's my card, there's my note, and I'm gonna put it just like so. This is not going to her, this is my sample pineapple card. But yeah, so I'm gonna put that here. It's not wanting to stay. So let me just get another star. These are the Walmart stickers that I'm using. I think because the envelope is overstuffed. That's why it doesn't want to stay closed. So I'm just gonna join it right there. And that is my card to Karolina. The front of it, it just has the pineapple and it says enjoy. So that is it. I'm going to tie this off with a bow and try to box it up and have it sent out sometime today, because she has to have it in her hands by August 29th or something like that. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!